Yo, what up? Right now we're about to check out Sun E's Like a Plane. So I'm really looking forward to this. It's got Getty in it, hopefully. So let's not wait any longer.
Must be hangy, be hangy, 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 hangy. Must be hangy, be hangy, hangy, hangy. Now I've been there.
Now I've seen the teasers for this. Well, one teaser. And I thought it was gonna release like early on. Not, yeah. I'm liking the scenery again, and if I talk about I like the scenery, it's like I just really like it. Must be hangy. Oof. I really admire like the what do you call this? Art directors in like of music videos, man. Ooh. Baby, baby. I like the special effects, like visual effects. Oh, that was in he was in JYP. That shot's pretty good. The visual effects on that. Like everything's oversaturated, not oversaturated, but it's like highly saturated. I'm liking it. It's like it's pretty chill. Oh shit! There goes dabbing. This is catchy. Gary. Where's Gary at? Gary. Wait, what? Is this Gary? Nah. Or am I is it a different Gary? Bump it. I like it. It's like the music video looks messy, but it works together, like the blue and reds and stuff. Ooh. I really like Sunny, man. Wait, what? There's no Getty?
Disappointed!
I was really expecting Getty to be in it. Huh. That was Sunny's Like a Plane, like an airplane. So thanks for watching that. If you like it, leave a comment, like, subscribe if you want. And if you want me to check out anything else, leave it down below. Peace.